Good morning. Molecular mass of polymers depend upon molecular mass of monomers, size of monomers, structure of monomers. There is a formation of a polymer chains of varying length. The molecular mass is always calculated as an average molecular mass. This can be calculated by physical and chemical methods. I have already told you about the synthetic polymers. There are starch, cellulose, nucleic acid, protein present as polymer in our body. They control all the body functions, but they are known by the name of biopolymers because they disintegrate after a certain period of time due to enzyme hydrolysis or oxidation. But synthetic polymers do not disintegrate themselves. There is a very serious problem of waste disposal. So now I will tell you about biodegradable polymers. There are two biodegradable polymers. One is known by the name of PHBV, polyhydroxybutyrate co-beta hydroxyvalerate. It is made by the reaction of 3-methyl butanoic acid with that of a 3-methyl valeric acid or pentanoic acid. In chemistry, the compound containing 5 carbon is known by the name of valine. The reaction takes place, the formation of PHBV takes place, and there is a release of water molecule. There is a ester formation. The OH will be released from this side and the hydrogen will be released from this side, and there will be the formation of polymer along with the release of water molecule. The second one is nylon 2, nylon 6. It is made by the reaction of glycine with alpha aminocaproic acid. Both of them are amino acid. They contain amide group. There will be formation of nylon 2, nylon 6. PHBV is used in orthopedic devices. It is used for the formation of many drug releasing substances. This was all about polymers, but I hope you will not forget styrene. On Thursday at Visakhapatnam, there was a release of styrene gas due to malfunctioning of two refrigeration unit because of technical glitch. The styrene they are used for the formation of polystyrene. It is used in the manufacturing of large number of compounds like plastic, automobile parts, and it is a good substitute for rubber. But due to the leakage of vapor, it gasifies. It remains in liquid form below 20 degrees Celsius. After that, it is converted in the form of gas. This gas was inhaled by large number of persons. The 11% died and 1000 affected due to toxic vapor sweat. You go through notes, do this chapter. If there is any problem, let me know.